Sorry. Again, parents, please remain standing. Apologies.
Ayun o. Ayun, bigay mo doon. Doon ka dumaan. Doon ka dumaan paalam pa sa secure. Yun o. Akin sa klip. Ayos ka lang. Magkara yan.
Remarkable presence. Mark and unique and fill their hearts with confidence and courage. May we continue to grow and flourish in character. Every step of the journey is significant. In times of uncertainty, may we find strength in the lesson learned and the faith that has sustained them. In moments of doubt, may they recall to support and encourage them. They have received and know we are never alone. Lord, we pray that you grant them the wisdom to make choices that reflect their values and aspirations. May they be inspired to pursue their passions and use their gifts to make positive impact on the world. Let their journeys
Bigyan ko nga ng tubig. Hindi pa nag-uugit kaya.
Nagsigaw pa yun. Bukan na. Parang
It is always a delight to have family and friends of CGChefs to come and be with us in this event. Welcoming you in today's ceremony is extremely meaningful as we acknowledge and celebrate our graduates. To formally welcome us all, may we call on our very own school director, Dr.
I am reminded of the unwavering dedication and vision of our esteemed CGC President, Dr. Edwin Kaway Braga. Palakpakan po natin ang ating school president. Mahina, mas malakas na palakpak. Our esteemed president, his leadership has been instrumental in shaping our institution into a beacon of excellence in education. His